Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to enable the offer to save passwords feature on your Android phone. If your phone is not asking to save passwords automatically, this setting will fix it. So let's get started. First, open your Android settings, scroll down and find this option called Google and tap on it. Now tap on all services. Scroll down until you see autofill and password section and tap on autofill with Google. Now scroll down and go to Google Password Manager. And here tap on the settings icon at the bottom right and turn on this toggle for offer to save passwords. This tells your phone to show a pop-up whenever you log into an app or website. Now you can open any app or website, for example, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail. There you need to enter your username and password, then tap login. A pop-up should appear saying save password to Google and then tap save. Your password will be stored automatically right there and then. And that's how you enable the offer to save passwords option on your Android phone. Super quick and super useful. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe and comment your next tutorial request. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.